Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the 3QT glass pitcher for the Wirsh iced tea and coffee maker. This pitcher is crafted from high temperature resistant borosilicate glass, ensuring durability and safety for all your hot and cold beverages. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a large handle for easy lifting and pouring, making it perfect for any kitchen setting. The lid and built-in coffee and ice guide marks add an extra layer of functionality, helping you achieve the perfect brew every time. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since this pitcher is dishwasher-safe, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or a tea lover, this pitcher is a versatile addition to your beverage-making arsenal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.